I've been noticing how much being distracted affects everything I do. It's like I've been going through the motions of my day, but I'm not really present in any of it. I catch myself starting something, getting distracted halfway through, and then feeling frustrated because I didn't finish what I set out to do. It's so easy to get caught up in everything: your phone, random thoughts, the noise around you. But I've started to realize that when I'm distracted, nothing feels right. It's like everything becomes harder. Take today, for example. I was supposed to study for an important test, but instead, I kept checking my messages, scrolling through social media, and even watching random videos. I kept thinking, just a few more minutes, but those few minutes turned into hours. By the time I actually sat down to focus, I was so stressed out about how much time I'd wasted that I couldn't even concentrate properly. I ended up studying less than I intended, and now I'm feeling anxious about the test. It's a never-ending cycle. But then I thought about how different it would have been if I'd been focused. I mean, really focused. When I'm focused, it's like I can block everything else out. The distractions don't even matter. My mind is sharp, and I can get things done so much faster and better. I can dive into what I'm doing, and I don't waste time worrying about everything around me. It's like the world around me fades away, and all that matters is the task at hand. It's kind of amazing how much control we actually have over it. I've realized that when I let myself get distracted, I give that distraction power over me. It pulls me in different directions, and before I know it, the day is gone, and I haven't achieved anything. But when I choose to stay focused, I realize that the distractions can't control me. They don't have the same hold over me. And the funny thing is, when I'm focused, I actually enjoy what I'm doing more. It's like I'm living in the moment instead of being half there. I think it all comes down to intention. When I'm focused, I make a decision to be present, to give my full attention to something. It's not about forcing myself to avoid distractions, it's about choosing to invest my time and energy where it matters. And when I do that, everything just feels easier. I get through my tasks more efficiently, I feel more accomplished, and I don't waste time stressing about how much I've missed. Of course, it's hard to stay focused sometimes, especially when distractions are everywhere. But I've learned that the more I practice focusing, the easier it gets. It's like building a muscle. At first, it feels like you're fighting against everything, but over time, you get better at tuning out the noise and honing in on what matters. I guess the biggest lesson I've learned is that distractions are inevitable, but they don't have to affect me if I don't let them. If I'm truly focused on what I'm doing, then nothing else can pull me away. It's all about taking control of where I place my attention and not allowing the outside world to dictate how I spend my time. I think moving forward, I want to be more intentional with how I spend my days. I want to be more present. I want to focus on my goals and not let distractions steal my time or energy. It's not about being perfect, it's just about doing my best to stay on track and be in the moment. I know it won't always be easy, but I think I can do it. Focus is power, and I'm learning how to harness it.